can dig all the flowers from the freshly planted bed. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some split off. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one place that left me singular as you can play with your food before you eat it. You can share your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So don't you let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your chow before you cook. You can play with your food, my friend. It's a play little game called lunch. So tell me, Lucky, what would you like to play? It can be anything, and I won't tell you myself.
Anything? Well, I like to paddle the pond, desperate one, just go back to the shallows. Then maybe if the time goes by, kind of touch the marsh, we'll find marshmallows. We'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty and pretend that it's something kitty. You can play with it, oh you know. You can let your joint to his head. You can play with your food, don't you know? Come now, I gave the best advice. You can play with your food before you drop it. You can mess with me before you can play with your food and drop it. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
We could go rushing on the rushes, dashing up pitch, like I was where's Bobby. Then make a little camp that's super damn for me and reap the mommy. And if those other ducklings want to come and join our games, they have to make a promise first to stop calling me names.
Oh, I'll help you to forget the way they scolded. Just as soon as I have got my napkin folded. Before you eat, you can share your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 you can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your chow before the crunch. You can play with your food by biting. It's a crazy little game. So we are fresh out of oranges, but tell me, Ducky, do you like apples?
I never tried that.